Welcome back to Shirl's Foodies. Today we're going to learn the most amazing recipe, that is the ultimate chocolate cupcake. So let's get started. So before we start, I would like to tell you to please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you share this video and give it a thumbs up. So to make the ultimate chocolate cupcake, we'll require 350 grams of all-purpose flour, 225 ml of oil, 150 grams of chocolate chips, 370 grams of powdered sugar, 60 grams of cocoa powder. Here I have 1 cup of cold coffee, in which I've added 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 cup of cold water. Here I have 1 cup of buttermilk, half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So first of all, in the flour, we'll mix in the cocoa powder. Then we'll add baking soda. And then finally we'll add in the salt. Now mix all the ingredients well until it is nicely incorporated. So now we'll sift it for at least 3 to 4 times. Just sift it well. This is the first time I'm sifting it. Now we'll sift it the second time. Similarly, sift it 3 to 4 times. Now we'll start making the batter. We'll first add in the buttermilk. And then to it, we'll add in oil. Now to this mixture, we'll add in sugar. Mix all these ingredients well and make sure no lumps are formed. Just whisk it well until everything is nicely incorporated. Now it's time for us to add the cold coffee. Just add it and whisk it quickly. Now add in the choco chips and whisk it well. Now finally we'll add dry ingredients in 3 batches. Here we add our first batch of flour. Now whisk it well until it is nicely incorporated and make sure no lumps are formed. Here we go for our second batch of flour. Whisk it well. And then finally we add in our third batch of flour. Mix it all well until it is nicely incorporated. And here your batter is ready. This should be the consistency of your batter. So friends, now with the help of a spoon, we'll fill in the cupcake molds. Here I have the cupcake molds lined well. Now after filling it, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it until it is nicely done. So friends, here my cupcakes are ready. They're out and they're nice and soft, moist. Here you can see it's still hot, but it is so soft and so moist. It is really very yummy. Now to decorate it, here I have a star nozzle. We'll just pipe some icing on top. We'll swirl it. And there we go. Similarly, decorate all the cupcakes. Now you can make any designs on the cupcake, like small stars or like a swirl or anything you like. Here I'm making stars. Here I'm done with it. Now we move on to the next cupcake. So friends, here all my cupcakes are ready and they look just so delicious. So do try this recipe at home. So friends, if you like this recipe, make sure you hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.